let's talk about crown molding for a second. It's actually really easy to cut. So the crown molding, this is your bottom. I'll show you how it goes up on the wall. It goes up on the wall like this. So when you're cutting crown molding, you're cutting it upside down. If you have a miter saw, use the fence of your saw to line it up tight. And you're going to go 45 degrees. This will be your left cut. Then switch it to 45. And this will be your right cut. And these are for outside corners. So this right here would be an outside corner. It would look like that. I didn't talk much about how I built my boxes for my cabinets, but they're just boxes. So a cabinet, you're gonna have 3 sides, a bottom, and if it's a base cabinet, you're not gonna do your top. If it's an upper cabinet, I like to do my top. I built all these cabinets out of 1/2-inch plywood maple, and they usually prefer 3/4 inch to hold the weight of the countertops and any kind of heavy duty stuff you're going to do. The only thing I will say is screwing into the 1/2 inch, you're going to have to go with a smaller, like 3/4 inch screw or nail. So having an actual 3/4 inch board and using an inch nail, I think it holds better. and it's more forgiving because I've had a couple of spots here where I've come through the other side trying to use a bigger nail or bigger screw, and that just is more repair work, more filling. But I mean, the 1/2-inch plywood right now, I think they're like $58 a sheet, 4x8, and the 3/4 inch is like 80, I want to say around $80 or $85 a sheet. So you do end up saving a lot of money going 1/2-inch. And once this is all said and done, I have countertops in, I'll really talk about how I think they worked, and if 1/2-inch is worth it, or if you should probably go 3/4. I never showed, I didn't video this, but I built this bench here. I used 1/2-inch for the whole thing. I have 4 spots that open. These are just regular hinges. They're not soft close or anything. But I will say one thing is, my wife painted one side of these, and we put weight on it, but they started cupping, like bowing up, because of the moisture in the wood. So maybe in the future, if I build any furniture pieces like this, I'll go 3/4 inch plywood, and that might be a little more heavy duty. But I'm actually pretty happy with how this turned out. We're going to be putting cushions on the top that span the whole bench, and it's just extra storage, which is nice. Again, this is a 1/2-inch sheet of plywood, and all this is a little trim piece that I cut out. Did a picture frame for it, 45s, and that turned out really, really nice. We were going to do picture framing with 1x4s all the way around, but I thought that made it look, it would make it look too small. So this actually turned out real nice.